anyone can add a product to their website. What our print on demand app does is allows you to add a product to your website that automatically creates a print job at a fulfillment house anywhere in the world. So let me introduce you to the concept. We've got thousands of products in our system. As you can see, I've got some t-shirts on here, and you simply choose the products that you would like to print on demand and say create print on demand sample. Then it asks you to choose a file. So you can create as many products as you want this way. Let's choose some daffodils. And off the system will then go and create me a range of print on demand products with daffodils already on them. As you can see, it's starting up now, and it will load up the appropriate products. Now, the reason this routine is useful is A, it will create them all at once, but perhaps more importantly, it will create a link that when somebody orders it on your website, it will automatically create a print job elsewhere. So you can see now, there's a t-shirt with some pictures of daffodils on. That is my print on demand reference, which just needs to go in the back end of your website once our print on demand app has been installed. And there, if you like, is a screenshot that if we click there, it shows me a screenshot of that particular product, which can then be used on your website. So to give you an idea, here is a print on demand product on a website where somebody has taken a picture of a baby grow, done their own design, and then you can order the varying different sizes that you want. Now if we take print on demand a little further, here's a site where somebody's taken a range of products, added Batman logos to them, and that's just a normal e-commerce site. So when I click on this product now, I go in there and it just looks like any other website, and I add it to cart. But the beauty of this is there is no stock sitting in a warehouse anywhere. It is simply printed on demand. If we just take it slightly further, this is an example of a print on demand product we've set up where you can change the colour of the product behind it. So we've set the product up saying here's the design, and you can then choose obviously your size options, etc. Add to cart. So the concept of print demand is quite flexible. It's not like a normal personalised product where our apps work for. It's basically where you've got a fixed design that you want to sell, but you haven't got stock. So you want to print on demand, and then you can either put it in your website like a normal looking product where people can just order it from a photo that's been created in this routine. Let's go back into there in terms of my white t-shirt, or I've got another option if I flick on here where I can create a one-off sample. So the idea here, instead of doing it automatically where I just upload one photo, I might want to sort of play with that photo a bit. Maybe we even want to add some text so it gives me a bit more flexibility in creating my design. So I've got two options for doing this, and then on this case, when I've finished, I just hit save, and again, it will create the sample, create the thumbnail. You can have it as a 2D or a 3D product. So the beauty of that, and then obviously it goes back to your viewer. You can then decide, am I going to allow people to change colours? Am I going to allow people to order different sizes or combinations? And I know I keep stressing it, but the beauty of this compared to just adding a product to your website is it automatically creates the print job at a fulfiller. We can add new fulfillers to the system. There's already over 100 around the world that can print on demand. I guess the final part is just looking through. If I then went into the order manager now, that would give me a list of my orders to print. And the beauty of our system as well is it'll print branded paperwork for your particular website. So hopefully that has given you a very brief introduction to print on demand and why it's so valuable. Ultimately, unlimited choice. As per here, I can have thousands of products on my website. I flick back in terms of there. thousands of products on my website, but I don't have to have any stock. Hence, print on demand and the power of our print on demand app.